Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn how to make a list. Okay, this is the first question from the series of make the list. Alright, so let's take a look at the question here. Okay, first of all, we have Michelle has a total of 9 $1 and $5 notes altogether. Okay, so as you can see from here, the number of $1 and $5 notes when they add together must be equals to 9. Okay, so their total value is $21. So as you know, if there's one $1 note, okay, or one $1 coin, what we do is that we take 1 times $1 to get the total value of $1. And if there's 8 pieces of $5 note, 8 times $5, and that will give you $40. Okay, alright. So now we have the value of the $1 note and the value of the $5 notes. We are supposed to add the total value together. So what we do is we add the portion that I underlined in green, which is $1 and $40, and that will give you $41. Okay, however, the question says that their total value is $21. So in this case here, since the total value is not $21, we will mark a cross. Alright, okay, now in order to achieve $21, we have to decrease the total value. So by decreasing the total value, one good way is to decrease the number of $5 notes. Okay, so let's try a second step. Other than using 8 $5 notes, we decrease to 7 $5 notes. Okay, and over there the question mentioned that the total number of $1 and $5 note is 9 pieces. So if there is 7 $5 notes, that means that we only can have 2 $1 notes. Alright, so now how do we calculate the value of the $1 note? Since there are 2 pieces, we will take 2 times $1 and that will give us $2. Okay, and since there are 7 pieces of $5 note, it will be 7 times $5 and that will give us $35. So by adding the total value of these two, 2 plus 35, we will get $37. Okay, alright, so $37 is still not $21. We still have to keep trying. Okay, next one. Since 7 $5 notes does not work, we will decrease it to 6 $5 notes. Alright, so if there are 6 $5 notes, altogether there must be 9 pieces. We will take 9 minus 6 to get 3, which means that we can only use 3 $1 notes. So let's find the value of the $1 note. 3 times $1 will give us $3, and 6 times $5 will give us $30. So by adding the two values together, it will give us $33. Okay, so unfortunately, $33 is still not the total value that we are looking for, which is $21. So in this case here, we have to continue by finding out what could be a possible answer. Okay, so as you can see, we are making a list. After trying 8 $5 note, 7 $5 note, and 6 $5 note, the best option is to try a 5 $5 note. Okay, if there's 5 $5 note over here, and judging from what I've been explaining just now, we will take 9 minus 5 to give us 4 $1 note. Alright, let's find the value of the $1 note. So we will take 4 times $1, and this will give us $4. Okay, now we have to find the value of the $5 note, so it will be 5 times $5, and this will give us $25. Alright, so based on what we've been doing just now, let's add the numbers together. $4 plus $25. Okay, so you know that $4 plus $25, let's do the working. $4 plus $25, this will give us $29. Alright, unfortunately $29 is not what we are looking for because our total value is $21. So this will be a cross. Okay, alright, so if you want, you can just move forward and try the question yourself. Okay, so I'll just continue. We'll try 4 $5 note this time, And since the total number of $1 and $5 note must be 9, this will give us 5 $1 note. Alright, so let's do the same step and continue. 5 times $1, and this will give us $5. And since there are 4 $5, 4 times 5 will give us $20. Okay, so now let's add the two numbers together. $5 plus $20. Okay, so we have $5 plus $20, and this will give us $25. And unfortunately, this is still not the total value that we are looking for. However, you could feel that our number is getting closer and closer. 25 is much closer to 21 as compared to the previous numbers. So now let's try. What about 3 $5 and 6 $1? Okay, so if there's 6 $1, 6 times $1 will give us $6. And if there's 3 $5, 3 times $5, this will give us $15. Alright, now there's a chance that we might be getting the total value of $21. So let's add the two numbers together. $6 plus $15 is equals to $21. Bingo! We managed to get the total value that they are looking for. Alright, but let's answer the question. The question is asking how many $1 and $5 note does Michelle have? Our answer will be there's 6 $1 note. Okay, and there is 3 $5 note. Alright, hope you understand how to solve this question. You may try the rest of the question yourself. Thank you.